Alright y'all, welcome back to How Foot Are Going. This morning we're making some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches before my niece's competition. So we're going to go ahead and throw it on. So we're going to start off with our sausage on the grill. So here we go. Throw our sausage on. Leave it. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and throw some butter on here and do our eggs. Throw on some bacon up. Crack an egg. While our eggs go, give them some salt and pepper. Pepper, and then we're going to put some bacon up on this end of the griddle. Again. Sandwiches are going to be bread. Each bread's going to get a slice of cheese on it. So we get the bread toasting, and then we're going to go ahead and check on our sausage, which basically be good. It is. Good. Now we're going to take our eggs, we're going to cut them apart. Alright, so each bread is going to get one sausage. Put our sausages on. Yeah, each bread gets one sausage and one egg. So get our eggs up. I'm on top of our sausages. And we're going to go ahead and close our breads up. And pull them. Close our breads up. And we're going to leave them on the griddle for a little bit. Just to melt the cheese a little. Pull this egg. And pull our extra sausages. Pull the breads. Alright y'all, thank you for joining me this morning at Hobby for the Grilling for these sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches that we made on the Blackstone. We have an early winter competition today, so I'm going to go inside and feed people. So until next time, happy grilling, and I'll see you guys for dinner. Bye.